Unless you want to carry a huge pile of batteries with you when you go fly, you're probably going to need a way to charge your battery. In this episode of Gadget Mondays, I'm going to be talking about a product that I've been using for about the past year and I love it. This is the Anker Power Bank. The Anker Power Bank is basically a huge battery with multiple output choices. The Anker Power Bank uses a rechargeable 120 amp lithium ion battery that's rated for 434 watt hours. It's got multiple output options where it has a 12 volt cigarette adapter. It's got 4 5 volt 6 amp USB outputs, and it's got a built-in 110 volt AC inverter. On a typical summer day when I go fly, I'll have like a blower fan hooked up to the AC. I'll have my phone chargers or even an LED light if we fly into the night, and then I'll have my charger hooked up to the 12 volt cigarette adapter. I don't know how many LiPo batteries you can charge with the Anker because I've never run out. I know it'll do at least 15, but this battery has a 120 amp lithium ion battery, and a typical LiPo battery is about 1 to 2 amps depending on, you know, the size of the battery. The Anker retails for about 500 bucks, which is a lot of money, but Anker has sales all the time where you can get like a $150 off coupon. I got this for $350 off Amazon when they had one of the sales. $350 still sounds like a lot, but let's talk about the option. Without a power source to charge batteries, you're going to need at least 10 battery packs for a good day of flying. At an average of $30 a pack, that's 300 bucks. But if you do have a source to charge batteries from, you really only need 4 battery packs. These will last you all day if you just charge and fly. Or you can do it the old school way and charge with your car battery, but I don't know about you, it's hot enough in summer. I don't want to be roasting under the hood. You can run a gas generator, but a cheap one's going to cost you at least 400 bucks. And then you got to lug around a gas can and have a stinky generator in your car. The Anker Power Bank isn't only for charging LiPo batteries. Earlier this year, we had a big storm that knocked out our power, but the Anker not only gave us light, but kept our phones charged up. The Anker Power Bank is portable and much smaller than a generator, and you don't have to worry about stinky gas cans in your car. All you do is plug it into the wall to recharge it, and there's even an option where you can plug in a solar panel to recharge it with the sun, but
ain't nobody got time for that.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.